Hi, I'm Steve from Sub-Bass Academy with a quick tip to help you with your music production. In this video, I'll show you how we can use Ableton to isolate and sample a kick drum from a loop or a track so you can use it within your own productions. So here's a drum loop I've got from a sample pack. It's quite a busy drum loop with a lot of cushion. If we listen to that. So what we want to do is isolate one of the kick drums. So if we bring that right down to the first kick, and play that back, you can hear a little click at the end. So the first thing we can do is roll off that click with a fade. And then we want to get rid of the high frequency hat sounds that we can hear there. So we'll use the EQ8. And we're going to add some automation to take those out. So we'll use the high cut on the EQ8. We go to automation view and add a breakpoint right at the start. So we want to keep the transient right at the beginning, and then we want to bring the breakpoints down here. So we take out the hats. I'm just going to take the grid off and then just tighten this up a bit. As you can hear, we've still got the kick from the click from the kick there, but we're bringing the high frequencies down later in the sample. And it might take just a little bit of playing around just to get it right. Bring that down a little bit more. Another one there. It's sounding a little bit better. There we go. So that's cleaned it up nicely. So what we can do from here is right click on the audio track, go to freeze track, and then right click again and flatten. And there you've got the kick sample which you can use in your own tracks. Thanks for joining me, and make sure you check back for more tips and tricks. If you want to get deeper into Ableton and music production, you can book a live one-to-one with me via the Sub-Bass website or subscribe to a Sub-Bass online subscription for loads of tutorial courses.